So good morning. I want to show you guys really quickly how I make my, I'll say, immunity pill. So if I feel like I'm coming down with something, I will make a pill with Doterra essential oil. So I have this On Guard, I have Turmeric, I have Oregano. And so I bought these right here from Amazon. It's just the double cap gelatin, double zero gelatin caps. So I make pills. So I just open it up. It looks like that. Excuse my black fingernails. I dyed my hair yesterday and I still have dye on there. So anyway, I'll do 2 drops of each oil. I generally like to open it all up first, so it's just there. So I have 2 drops of turmeric. Come on. And then I'll do 2 drops of On Guard. And then I will have 2 drops of oregano. All right, and that's it. And then you put the cap on top, like so. You can also, I used to fill it with olive oil too, but I lost my dropper, so I just put the oil in there and then I just drink it with water. And that is it. So, and this has really, really helped. Like, I haven't been, you know, sick, thank God, with all the stuff that's going around. I haven't been sick. If I feel any little inkling of something coming on, I go ahead and make these. And I might do it for like a few days in a row until I just, you know, feel that I'm out of the woods. All right. Thanks for watching.